Once again, good morning and back to the online videos. Today, in the video number 3, we are going to study about unsaturated hydrocarbon. In the previous video, we have deals with saturated hydrocarbon, what are saturated hydrocarbons and why alkenes are placed under the saturated hydrocarbons. Today we are going to start with unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons and what are the different types of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those which contains at least a double bond or triple bond in a carbon chain. If a carbon chain is there, either it contains only one carbon atom or more than that or of infinite number of carbon atom. If a chain of infinite carbon atom is there or some carbon atoms are there, but that carbon chain must contain at least a double bond or triple bond, then it is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. And in unsaturated hydrocarbons there are basically two. It means unsaturated hydrocarbons are basically two types. The first one is your alkene. What are alkenes? First of all, we are going to see alkenes. Thereafter, the next type of unsaturated hydrocarbon is alkynes. What are alkenes? Alkenes are the examples of unsaturated hydrocarbon with the general formula CnH2n. Again, here the value of N is 1, 2, 3, 4, many more are there. Where N is your natural number. So what are alkenes? Alkenes are those unsaturated hydrocarbon in which in a given carbon chain at least a double bond must be present. What is the first member of alkene? The first member of alkene do not start with one carbon. It always starts with two carbon atoms. Why? Because we know that in alkenes at least a double bond is there, and for that at least the two carbon atoms should be required. Therefore, the first member of alkene starts with two carbon atoms. Then, what is the formula? We know that the formula is CnH2n. When we just put the value of N is equal to 2, when we put the value of N is equal to 2, then the general formula becomes C2H2 into 2. It becomes C2H4. For two carbon atom, we use the word eth, as we know that. And it is the member of alkene. It is the member of alkene. Therefore, we use the suffix ene with main carbon chain. In this way, it becomes ethene, C2H4, ethene. It becomes C2H4. Now, what is the structure of C2H4? The chemical structure of C2H4 is, we know that a carbon chain of two carbon atoms and a double bond is there between the two carbon atoms. Now we know that carbon is tetravalent having the valency 4. Therefore, the rest of the position is occupied by the hydrogen atom. In this way, it becomes C2H4. Now we just draw the electron dot structure of ethene. It becomes in this way, hydrogen acquires the 2, whereas the carbon acquires the 8. So that is the chemical structure of ethene and that is the electron dot structure of ethene. So that is the first member of alkene. The first member of alkene is ethene. E-T-H-E-N-E. Ethene. Eth is the main carbon chain, and when we add the suffix E-N-E, it becomes ethene. Just draw the chemical structure as well as the electron dot structure also. Very important from the examination point of view. Thereafter, we are going to see the second member, third member, fourth member and up to fifth member. Rest of the members should be made by you. Now we are going to move toward the second member of alkene. The second member of alkene containing the 3 carbon atom in a given chain, in a given carbon chain. Now, the second member of alkene is containing the 3 carbon atom, and the formula becomes C3H 2 into 3, and it becomes C3H6. For 3 carbon atom, we use the word prop, and it is a member of alkene. Therefore, we add the suffix ene, and when ene is suffix is added with the main carbon chain, it becomes propene. The 3 carbon atoms are there. The 3 carbon atoms in the carbon chain. The carbon chain containing the 3 carbon atoms. And we know that at least a double bond should be there. Either you should place the double bond here or here. A double bond is there. Now complete the rest of the valency of carbon. We know that the carbon is tetravalent. Therefore, we add the 2 hydrogen here. Now this carbon becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 containing the 4 bond. This carbon having commutative valency 3, 1 more is there. Therefore, 1 more hydrogen is added in that particular place. The carbon having only 1, making only 1 bond with the carbon atoms. Now, the electron dot structure of propene. The 3 carbon atom is here. All the hydrogen acquired the 2, carbon acquired 8. In this way, each carbon acquired the 8 and each hydrogen atom acquired the 2. So that is the electron dot structure of propene, and this is the chemical structure of propene. Molecular formula of propene is C3H6. IPSC name is propene. So that is molecular formula. That is your IPSC name. That is chemical structure, and that is your electron dot ADS. So that is the second member of alkene. So what is the second member of alkene? The second member of alkene is propene. The third member of alkene. Now we are going to see the third member of alkene. It means the value of n is equal to 4. When we just put the value of n is equal to 4 in the formula, it becomes C4H2 into 4. It becomes C4H8. For 4 carbon atom, we use the word bu. And when we add the suffix ene, it becomes butene. Now, the chemical structure of butene is 4 carbon atoms are there, and these carbon atoms at least a double bond is there. One, two, three, 4 carbon atoms, number of hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It becomes C4H8. Every carbon having the valency 4. Now, the electron dot structure of butene. The 4 carbon atoms are there. Now, that is the third member of alkene, and the third member of alkene is your butene. One member, just we are going to see one more member in alkene, and the rest of the members should be get made by you up to 7. Up to 7. Please make it right from the blackboard. Now we place the value of n is equal to 5. Then it becomes C5 2 into 5, and it becomes C5 H10 for 5 carbon atom. We use the word pent, and by adding the suffix ene, it becomes pentene. 5 carbon atoms are there. It is pentene. Now we are going to draw the electron dot structure of pentene. So that is the fourth member of alkene, and the fourth member of alkene is pentene. Pent is the main word for the carbon chain, and when we add the suffix ene, it becomes pentene. In pentene, the 5 carbon atoms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are there, and these 5 carbon atoms contain the 10 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the chemical structure, and that is the electron dot structure. Like that, you can just make the next 3 members of alkene. That is, the 5th member is hexene, the 6th member is heptene, and the 7th member is octene. Like that, and thereafter in next video, that is your homework and assignment also. In the next video, we are going to see the third type of hydrocarbon. The first, alkene, belong to saturated hydrocarbon, and alkene belong to unsaturated hydrocarbon, and the third one is alkyne. It also belongs to unsaturated hydrocarbon because it contains at least triple bond in the chain. If a carbon chain is there, if it contains a triple bond, then it is said to be alkyne, or it belongs to alkyne. That hydrocarbon belongs to alkyne, and it is also unsaturated hydrocarbon. That is all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.